And hello student, my name is Ashok Sijala. In this session, we learn the list view to supply the static string array resources in Android. So let us start. First, I share my laptop screen and fix the position here so you can watch better my video lecture. And here, ADT bundle Eclipse I already open, so we cannot consume our time. So in window that menu, and we can take Android virtual device manager and select my AVD, that is a AVD name, start and launch. So we can take design and coding, so our device is load, so launch. So yes, that complete the process. And yes, now that appear, so I use minimize and close this window. And now yes, file menu we can take as new file, Android application project. Yes, and here that our demo. Yes, that first in we can check not any previously name. So yes, that is a LV list view demo. Yes, that notice, and that we can assign to the static item. So yes, means that we can take from array adapter class. So that is a perfectly. So array adapter class we can use, that is a dynamically. But here my goal, we can first simple static string array resource I use, and next upcoming my video lecture I take as a array adapter class as dynamically. So there is a every resources, there are two techniques: static way, that is a activity underscore main or Java file, and activity main or Java file, that is a dynamic way. So here my goal is a static way. First we can yes, how to select list view item and print. So main activity, that is our Java file, and activity underscore main, that is XML based layout file in Android. So finish. Yes, that takes some process, and that after that creating our apps. So yes, here you can look in status bar, that takes some process, and after some process that take use display to our apps. So yes, now that appear. So now you can look here, that is a hello world. So I first select this hello world, that is text view, you have to know very well. I delete. And now what to do? So here we can use, yes, that is a you can look here, that is a folder composite. So here first, that is a list view. So yes, I take the list view, yes, that spread to all, that you can, yes, here up, so that all that look. So what to solution? So here that is a match parent. So here we can take some size. Yes, here like we give the size like we can say that 100 SP or DP. So that you can look here, that size. Yes, that is a height and width. So yes, so that is a 50 we can give. Yes, that is a better. And now what to do? So height, yes, height I also restricted. So like 100 SP. So height and width we have to change. So look that very small, but we can require some big. So I increase the width. So like 100, that previously we have to take, and that height we can also take increase. So that is also 100. So now let us check how it's look. So now that is a perfectly, but width we can also increase. So width, yes, here that is I 300. So let us check. I save and let us check. So yes, now perfectly. So that is a list view. Yes, and also we can take height is increased. So like 200. Yes, now we can step by step how it's, yes. So now that's sufficient. So yes, we have to use as a string array. And first, yes, here that is a list view one. Yes, so you can also change that ID, but here not required. So let us check. Yes, means we can take as a res folder and value folder and string.xml file. Yes, here there is file, and we can use as a static string array. So yes, that first, that is a string. Yes, that string array, and that our ID. So I give the like in double quotes, yes, P language, programming language, we can supply the list, and that item is a child tag. And between item, we can like C language, yes, and then I copy that item and paste. So is a perfectly. So you can look here. First I copy and paste. So that perfectly. Okay, so we can take all. Okay, so here 6 or 7 is that item we have to take. Okay, now what to do? So we can change, yes, so all item that all I copy, so they all are C language, but we can change. So yes, what to do? So here we can provide as like C++, then you can say that Java, then C sharp, yes, that is C sharp, and now we can say that Android, yes, then Python, yes, and next we can say that DS data structure and like one SQL server. So that perfectly. So I can save, yes. Now what to do? So we can assign to this list, yes, in the list view. So first technique is a static way, and my upcoming video lecture I take as a dynamic way. So Android colon, yes, here entry, that is a property entry, and that is at the rate, that is a, we can say that array, yes, array, and that our array name is a P language. So that list is bind, yes, only one line, yes, here only one line. You can bind your static way list in the activity underscore main.xml file. So that list is bind, but yes, here that not appear. Uh, so now we can take some coding. Whenever user select any item from list view, so displaying the toss, or you can also use as a text view. So here we can use as a toss, yes. So list view, yes, here that is list view, and that give the ID as LV, but L is a like look one, so like V1, yes, I give the only view. And now first we can fetch that ID, find you by ID. So yes, and R dot that ID. So ID dot list view one and semicolon, and typecasting is needed. Yes, so find view by ID return is a view class, but here as a list view, so we can, yes, I use as a LV1. Yes, so L is look like one, so I give as a LV1 list view ID. And now what to do? So V1, then set on, yes. So here we can yes, not use the click listener, but set item, yes, set on item selected listener, yes, that is our require. So very important in Android which listener you have to use. So yes, that is a first we can provide semicolon and provide the package. So there are two time error, one package import, again that error. Why? That unimplement method, yes, here you can look, add unimplement method, yes, so two time, yes, now that two method. So you can see here on item selected listener, and that we can print our item, but that item is a, that is a position of that argument. So yes, that I think perfectly. So, and that is a item selected listener, yes, and also first I can check, yes, that proper listener or not. So yes, again set on item selected listener is that, yes, click item click listener, yes, that is also work perfectly, and item selected listener both is there, yes. So let us check. First I try, uh, we can require the position, or here I think that is a view and that is an index. So let us check. I first type again set on, that is a item click listener. Let us check that what is a implement. is. So both we have testing, so you can get the idea. So now first I import the package semicolon, so second time error, and now we can see which method is implemented. So yes, here that is a on item click. Yes, so that item is clicked, then that print, and here is a, I think, yes, a view, then integer argument and long. Yes, so both selected. Yes, so we can use first one, so this one. So let us check. Yes, we can print. So yes, I give the here as a position. Yes, I remove the, and we can change that value. And now what to do? So here we can select our item. So that is a, I think we can take like value one string variable and assign. Yes, that is a, we can use item in the position. So how to position we have to get. So when user select the item, like there is a view here and that position is P. So here that giving the item, let us check. So here I use as a only V, because V1 is our list view. So we can use, yes, directly in TOS class, not any string variable. So TOS dot make test get application context, and first we can yes here use as a text view. So let us check. So here text view. So text view, yes, yes, here text view is required. So text view T1 and assign to V, is equal to V. So where is a V here, and typecasting, because view is a parent, so typecasting is needed. And now what to do? So here we can print, yes, that is a T1 dot get text, yes, and to string. So that perfectly. And now toss dot short or long, there are two constant memory. Yes, I first full screen so you can watch better way, and then show. Yes, so print our item. So let us check. I save, yes, and run that file, our apps application. So yes, select that our application name or project name in Android and run your Android application. So yes, our device is ready. I open the log and wait some few seconds. That you can look here, that is a SDK load that all process, and now we can wait. So that takes some time, and after that taking the time, that display, yes, look, and yes, our all that item is display. So yes, here that is, I think, that's scroll bar. Yes, you can look here automatically that we can size some width and height. So when we can select any item, yes, so yes, that notice display. So yes, we can change our listener, or yes, that is a T1, yes, assigned to V1 but not display. So what to do? So here that is an item selected listener is not print to our item. So let us check. We can change our listener. So v1 dot set on, that is a item click listener we can use. Yes, I previously taking, but I after that I remove. So let us check that display or not. So on implement method, and same logic, I first cut this our two line, cut and paste to here. So let us check that apply or not. So here, yes, v is a here where we can change, yes, view. And what to do? So here we can remove these listeners selected. So I remove and save, and let us compile that print or not. So list is bind, but that not display. So that is a problem. So let us check again. I run the apps and wait for a few seconds. So now that process is ongoing, yes, and that our app is running. So Now I think that appear, yes. And yes, let us check. So yes, now that perfectly print, you can look. So yes, selected listener is not but set on click listener. So you can look. So here very I previously told you. So I take both listener. We have to testing, and that is successfully set on item click listener. Yes, that is a required to here. That is a list view. So first I take the selected item, but that not print over require item. So now you can watch that is a, and now I can select our Android. Oh yes, so now I think you can understand, and also you can print the index. Yes, that is last we can. Yes, where is a index? So here integer argument 2, that is a I, and give the like idx. So we can also print the index of item. So what to do? So here plus sign and concatenation. So we can say that just colon sign and separate and idx. You can also heading right index, but I just that is item print and that index is print. So I again save. You can any change of code you can save and then run your apps. So again I run. So that latest or index we can also print of items. So let us check that run is apps is run, but that is a previously output. So now that is gone, and latest APK Android packet file and DX file is created. And now yes, that takes some few seconds. Yes, now that is appear. So look here, I click C sharp. Now I click Java. So that is a colon and that subject and that index. So let's first C language. So you can look at zero index. So now I can scroll, and last one. So how many items? Yes, 7. So 8 item, because 0 to index start with 0. So SQL server is 10 is a 7. So total 8 item is there. So last, yes, Android. So yes, I hope you can understand. So subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update, and thanks for your watching, supporting and sharing my video lecture. And any question like I just summarize here, we can take one text list view, and uh, that is a we cannot just only provide the list. Yes, here. So you can look here, and then string array, that is a we can string.xml file, and then we can take Java file, and only first that is a reference not object, and taking the id from r.java file and set on item click listener not selected, that is not select means display our item. So that is a perfectly. So again, I request you can subscribe my channel Ashok Sijal Academy, press the bell icon to never miss any update. And thanks for you watching, supporting, and sharing my video lecture. And Hare Krishna.